Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing you all the motivation and inspiration to help try kickstart your day. And here is your quote. Do a little more each day than you think you actually can. Did you know your biggest competition in life is actually yourself? It's you. It's you decides what you chase, what you do, and just how much effort you put into everything that you start. Why not challenge that? Why not challenge yourself and push yourself a little bit harder? Every step, no matter how little, is another step in progress. And small steps will always add up to big progress. Keep moving forward.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.